These guys are Phoenix 23, and they actually are out here in Los Angeles, California at Sunset Sound, where Bernie's on the board here being busy. But they came out here all the way from Alabama, and no, actually Iceland, no, not Iceland, Ireland, and they're out here doing their record, another record. And if you go on my MySpace page, you'll find link in my top friends guys, you'll see them, and you can go to their page and see all their cool videos and hear all their cool stuff. And they've done a number of soundtracks and all kinds of other stuff. And here's Bernie working like really hard.
That's a first.
And
I just finished the call.
And actually they'll have good videos because they're actually being filmed by somebody that has some technical ability with a camera. And
she knows how to edit.
Yeah, I don't edit anything. And Bernie does all his edits here and there. And so that's all for now. I'm going to walk out into the studio and show you all the crap that Carl brought in here to try to
make us sound good.
Well, to give them different tools to work with, and that's all for now. Yeah, she's missing all the great shots of you guys, like working like really hard in the studio, getting ready to harass your drummer, give him a hard time. You can all stand at the window and make faces at him. Over at Sunset Sound. I guess you can always pause this if you want to try to read who any of these people are.
Not just, like 300, I mean, the thing was, it was obvious it was their fraud. I mean, it was just, it doesn't make any sense, but they were trying to figure out where, how they busted, Santa Cruz, right, last year.
And it just kind of goes on and on.
And they were going around, somebody saw them and called the police. That's why they got arrested.
Well, some of these gas stations, they put these false front keypads on them.
Yeah. Oh, ATMs?
And the ATMs, every time I go to one, I kind of look at it like, that looks right.
Why try to, how stupid try to use the same one every time? That way I'm used to it, you know what I mean?
Well, the two B of A's in Burbank, they always have a security guard outside standing on the sidewalk in front of the ATMs all the time. I guess looking for any anyway. This over here appears to be the most important piece of equipment in the studio. It's their toaster. And I see this used more than most of the microphones or compressors. I was told the microwave is actually the most important piece. So I guess between these two pieces of gear, they have most of the bases covered.